Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job opportunity from IDBI Bank. Viewers, they are hiring officer positions purely on contract basis. Appointment of part-time banks medical officer purely on contract basis. So we'll discuss complete details in this video, and even one more notification released from Telangana. Work location is Hyderabad. So today in this video we'll discuss two job notifications one by one. First is IDBI. They are hiring part-time purely on contract basis bank medical officer position. Overall we had 23 position viewers. Part-time position, rupees 1000 per hour of received and as well as services rendered. So they are going to pay 1000 per hour for the services doctors or medical officers rendered, and they are paying conveyance allowances 2000, compounder fee rupees 1000 per month. So we had many work locations. Even Hyderabad is one of the work location viewers. If you see here, Hyderabad is also one of the work location. They clearly mentioned 3:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Hyderabad office, bank working days 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. at quarters from Monday and Saturday. Even they mention Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Banking and Finance, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. So in Hyderabad we had two work locations. So even they mentioned regarding timing part also very clearly in this notification. So eligibility criteria viewers, as we know, post is part-time bank medical officer on contract basis. Basic qualification is MD or MBBS from any recognized university, college approved by Medical Council of India in allopathic system of medicine. Yeah, experienced candidates are preferred. Age limit is below 65 years candidates are eligible for this position. Purely contract basis. Contract would be terminated by 1 month notice on either side at any time during subsistence period of contract. Remuneration is 1000 per hour. As we discussed, conveyance is 2000 per month. Compounding fees is 1000 per month. Application procedure is application received will be scrutinized and eligible candidates will be called to appear for personal interview. So when we see application procedure viewers, offline we need to apply for this position by post, that too before 20 February 2021 in the following address. Application for a post of bank medical officer purely contract basis to general manager, IDBI Bank, 21st floor, IDBI Bank Tower, Colombo, Mumbai. So for this address we need to send our application. In the same notification even they give an application format also. So I will be going to provide this link in the description viewers. So download, fill up the form, and you can post to Bombay main branch, and work location is Hyderabad also. So hope this video is useful for you viewers, like this job notification is useful for you. And next job is here. The next is from Government of Telangana Medical Education Department, notification for walk-in interview. They are hiring for 26 vacant viewers. Senior resident post, postgraduate, MD, MS, DNB degree, diploma, concerned specialty done from MCI recognized medical college degree along with additional qualification registered with Telangana State Medical Councils are eligible. The candidate should not have completed 44 years by 31st July 2021 is eligibility criteria. Consolidated pay is 70,000. So the following vacancies for department wise, totally we had 26 vacancies. Even they clearly mention department wise, like we had different departments, for example general medicine, DVL, physiotherapy, pediatrics, general surgery, OBGY, emergency medicine, anesthesia. So we had different departments. So please do refer once. For junior resident, next position is junior resident. We had 9 vacancies, and eligibility criteria is below 39 years candidates are eligible. Pay is 16,000 plus DA. Work location is Nizamabad, and they are conducting walk-in interview from 9th February to 16th February viewers. Interested candidates can attend walk-in interview. Selected candidates should be submit undertaking to work in COVID-19 duties in the government General Hospital, Nizamabad. So I am going to provide two important links, like one is from IDBI and another is from Government of Telangana Medical Education Department. One is conducting walk-in interview like Medical Education Department, and IDBI we need to submit our application offline. So those who are candidates are interested, mainly eligible, can apply for this position. I am going to provide all important links in the description. Thank you very much viewers. All the best for your upcoming interviews. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. All the best for your upcoming interviews, and subscribe Adira Job Creation channel and hit the bell icon to receive all latest job notifications time to time. Thank you very much.